Nomadik Outdoors Subscription Box Turbo Review. Welcome to Unboxing Unhinged. I'm Eric Blacka. On this channel, we feature the gear used by anyone who loves finding wonder through outdoor adventuring. Nomadik is a super affordable subscription box marketed toward outdoorsmen and women just like us. So while it might be inexpensive, let's find out if it's cheap. Here's what's in it. Pin. Oh shit, I'm losing stuff. Okay. What's inside? Rain's wash bag. Where's it at? It looks like a rubberized toiletry bag, black one size. Rain's brand drip 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 lighthouse on the tag. I gotta tell you, it feels like very smooth, very lovely rubber. I can dig it. Let's look at it. The zipper. It looks like something on a wetsuit. It looks like your standard toiletry bag. I especially like this one. I'm not giving it away. Just kidding. Green Goo biodegradable soap. Is it this one? Or is it this one? I guess it's this one. Green Goo all natural Castile soap. All in one biodegradable. Let's smell it. Oh, I gotta get that off there. Okay, smells like mouthwash. I'm not gonna take a bath with this. I'm sure it works. Does not contain petroleum, mineral oil, parabens, glycerin. It's gluten-free, in case you wanna eat it. I'm actually gluten-free, pretty awesome. Leaves no suds behind. Organic Cocos nucifera. For all you dorks out there, they put coconut oil in parentheses, okay? Just say coconut oil, all right? This is America, we don't speak science. Don't leave home without this camping essential. That's arguable. Wake up or cool down with eye-opening garden mint. Soap with versatility. Green Goose Castile soap has a wide variety. Yeah, whatever, it's fucking soap. Okay, active skin repair spray. Active skin repair. Natural skin repair. Active skin repair. Proprietary, doctor recommended, and clinically proven formula of HOCl. A medical grade product used in hospitals. So, hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, I don't know. Molecule produced by our bodies in response to injury that helps support the body's natural healing process. So if it's produced by our bodies and they bottled it, does that mean that they harvested it from people in the hospital? That's creepy. Directions. Liberally apply active spray to affected area, safe around nose, eyes, ears. Non-toxic. First aid. Clinician recommended. No sting, no hurt. Okay. This was the 2019 Gear of the Year Men's Journal, and they have a quote from a Navy SEAL on here, so it must be pretty good. Cuts, scrapes, wounds, abrasions, blisters, sores, insect bites, burns, turf burn, sunburn, chafing, inflamed skin, and other skin irritations. Woo! Good shit. That's everything. That's everything in the box. I don't know what this stuff is worth. You get a pin too. I think the value's there. Gonna have to look it up. I better go get the stuff I threw. Skin repair, first aid stuff. There's at least one Navy SEAL who likes it. I'm sure soap is soap, it works. That's actually a pretty sweet toiletry bag. I think the value's there. You be the judge. So these three items are coming in at $38 total, $33 for the box. They get you for $5 on the shipping. Comes with these three items. So is the value here $26? $26 for the wash bag. This, believe it or not, is $25. This little bottle, 25 bucks. This, you can get a full 12-ounce bottle of this soap for 11 bucks. So this 2-ounce bottle, basically a sample, worth a couple dollars. Pay $38. The total retail value comes in at about $51. Pay $38, $51 worth of stuff. That's $13 off if you buy all three of these things separately. Of course, I'm assuming this is free. It's probably more like $49 worth of stuff. $11 off if you bought these two items, if you've gotten it through the Nomadik subscription box. I'm not gonna make any more monthly Nomadik subscription box videos, but because it's 38 bucks, I'm gonna keep the subscription. And I think what I'm gonna do is save all the boxes up for like a year and then just do one video over everything that you might get in a year from these guys. That way we can have a much better bird's eye view of the kinds of stuff that you might get from these people. It's hard to judge a company off of one box. It doesn't really seem fair. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep the subscription, I'm gonna save up all the boxes, and I'll just do one big Nomadik video in about a year. You know, you'll have a much better idea of the kind of value you get out of the company, because it's so hard to judge any company, in my opinion, that does these boxes off of just one monthly shipment. Question of the day comes to us via Nomadik. Check this out. They got a cool tagline. Go where others won't. The question of the day is, what is one place that you've gone where others won't? Or what is one place you've gone that most people would never go? Either because it's dangerous, scary, you know, just really hard to get to. Maybe it's a super expensive trip. I mean, did you go to Antarctica? I don't know, I'm just making shit up. One place that I've gone that most people won't, the badass like back road four-wheel drive trails in Big Bend National Park. I did that with my dad a couple times. They have like old mercury mine out there, I remember, and they just have so many cool things to see if you get off-road in those off the beaten paths that they have. I felt like my dad and I were the only ones who had traveled some of those trails in years. I don't know. It was super awesome to explore places in the park that most people who even go there a lot probably have never seen. But I want to know about you, and I'm excited to read about the places you've gone in the comments below. On to the giveaway. I'm gonna go through this super quick. No giveaway. Real quick, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Unboxing Unhinged. For Unboxing Unhinged, I'm Eric Blacka, encouraging you to turn off YouTube. Go out in the world and find the adventure that fills you with wonder. And remember, it's not always bad to be a little unhinged.